In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily turn on dark theme on YouTube in 2024 with the latest app update of YouTube in your iPhone. That's quite simple and interesting. So let's get started without wasting a single second, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, head over to the YouTube application and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the gear icon on the top right to head over to the settings, and then tap on general. Now once you're on this page, you'll find an option of appearance. Tap on it, and here you'll find all the options that says use device theme, turn on dark theme, or turn on light theme. You can easily turn on dark theme by clicking it off. I usually use device theme, so whenever I turn on dark mode on my device, it automatically turns it on. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me